Okay, here we have our curl and bounce trade. We'll go in 6 contracts. We haven't got our fill yet on this. We're waiting to get filled. And we just got our fill right here. Okay. We also have this little interesting formation right here, which is an out of balance within the curl and trade. Hold on, let me try to get my little here, right here. As you can see, we have an out of balance on the 2-minute, and we also have an out of balance here. Let me put this over so you can watch the trading platform here. We also have an out of balance here on the 1-minute, and that is on price, and here is on on our crossbow. So we have a double confirmation there as well, but the main trade here is not a out of balance on our crossbow. It is a curl and bounce off of our 5-minute target lines. So what we're doing here is we're just going to go ahead and wait what we're doing here, and we're going to see where price goes, and because of that we're going to bring in our stop to this point right here. Now our stop is a decent stop compared to our profit target. We'll go for a 15 tick profit target for right now, and we'll see where that goes. Okay, I'm going to bring in our stop to break even right here, and it looks like we're off to a good stop here. Now what I did is I labeled off where the entry was for the curl and bounce. We missed our first entry, but we did get a second entry. Not all the times you can do that. I believe we're going to go for a little bit tighter profit target here of 10 ticks. So that would be 10 ticks times the $10 a target times the 6 contracts is a $600 profit target. You can see where I set my stop right at 50.15, and now it's just a waiting game. It's either going to hit our target here or it's not. So again, we got a curl and bounce here, and we set our curl and bounce target lines from our 5-minute chart. Okay, so we go back to our 5-minute chart, look for, they're much heavier weighted targets than you see the 1-minute chart we're dealing with right now, and you see that little blue target there. That's a very light weighted target. We're using the 5-minute chart, much heavier weighted target, to set our profit targets. And then our stops pretty much are set the same every time. We set them at the bottom of the curl and bounce. Okay, a little bit more aggressive stop would be to set it at the curl and bounce entry point. You definitely get knocked out of the trade a little faster. But in this case, if we set our stop where we did initially, we're only there it is. There's our profit target right there, and we hit our 600, and yeah, this was just a standard curl and bounce. We definitely almost got stopped out right here at the line. You can see it came down, touched our stop, and then bounced off.